In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Facebook Live key. So, before I get into this video, I want to say, please make sure you watch this video the whole way through to ensure that you get every single step correct and you don't miss anything out. Because if you do miss something out, it might not work and you might end up leaking your streaming key or something like that, and you don't want that to happen. So, that being said, watch the video and I'm going to teach you how to do it now. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to this domain, and the domain is facebook.com/live/producer. So we need to go to that website there. Once we go on that, it's going to pop up the page that you just saw, which looks something like this. From here, you're going to see a lot of different options and settings here, and the thing we need to click on here is streaming software. Once you click on streaming software, it's going to come up with a little box that has your streaming key in it, and from there you can copy that streaming key and make sure that you keep this streaming key private, because if you do not keep this private, people will be able to access your streams and they'll be able to stream on your profile, and that is a big risk. So make sure that you keep it private and then copy your key, and you can put that into your streaming software, whether you use OBS or something else. Now, if you want to see how to access your streaming, how to put that into your streaming software, I'll show you how to do that now. So I am currently using OBS here, as you can see, and what we'd want to do is we want to come inside. What you want to do is you want to come into here and you want to go to settings, and then from settings you want to go to stream. And then from here, we want to go to service, and you want to go to Facebook Live. Now, it's going to give you, you want to do this, you can put yes if you'd like to. Basically, it doesn't support my current output. It's going to try and get me to change it to that. I would press yes, but I'm going to ignore that for now, and I'll show you where you need to put your stream key. So there's a box here that says stream key. You want to put your server on default. You can paste your stream key in there, press apply, and click OK. And then next time you press the button to start streaming, then it should begin streaming to Facebook. Now there's other methods you can do this, like you can stream to multiple platforms at once, but this is the main way. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.